Hello everyone, so these are the shirts that I'm actually doing real quick. I'll flip it over and let you see the front. This is the front. These are the first set of shirts I've done since my car accident. So that's what it says on the front. That's what it says on the back. Right now my heat press is at 326, but I want to show you how I did this. Do you see anything particular wrong with this design? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to do it with one hand, but I'm going to show you how I actually remove small pieces like that to keep from having to cut it. I already cut 2 sheets of it. That was $3.50 a sheet, and it was not mirrored, so tonight was not a good night. I had to break myself back in. What I actually do is I put the shirt on a heat press like this. And then what I do is the part that I want to have removed, I'll take my weeder and I push right in the middle. And you see it's already expanding. What I want to do is I want to get it just hot enough to where I can pick it. So I just kind of pick it like that. Let's see if I can see it. So now I take it off. It's best to have it on the heat press while you pick it so that it'll still be hot. But I'm actually trying to pick it while the camera's in my hand. So I'm just going to push it back up. Let me see if I can do it another way. Hey you guys. So I'm pressing it like this till it gets hot. And then while it's still close to the heat press, I just pull it off like this. And it's really not hard to do. So now it's off. So now, that's it. So after I do that, it's at 345 now. That's way too hot for a regular press. So, hey Lucinda, hey you guys. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put it back on the press real quick. Like this. Put it back on the press. You see? And just give it a good press. So when you do have small pieces that you have to remove, that's how I remove it. It's been a while since I did t-shirts. Hey Carmelita. So that's what I'm working on, you guys. It was 4 quick t-shirts. They due tomorrow. She brought the money for me today. It was a favor for my cousin. And that was that, you guys. So I just wanted to come on live since I had to do it. I messed up 2 8x10 sheets, or 12x12 sheets by not mirroring it. So I'm finally getting back into the swing of things. I took November and December off from working. So I wasn't really doing any t-shirts, but I definitely want to show you guys how I removed that small piece out of the R. So besides that, that's how the project went. I had all the t-shirt sizes. All the t-shirts were good. I messed up 2 12x12 sheets forgetting to mirror, and I had that one little piece left in the R, which is fine. Some people say, do it leave residue if you do it that way? Yes and no, depending upon the HTV and the color of the shirt. But as you see, there's no residue in it. So that worked out good. Let's see. Yeah, I turned on the light. So no holes, no residue. You actually had those two to compare. So that is how I actually remove a piece. So that's it, you guys.